welcome back to Coding Tricks. So in this session we are going to see about the display elements of the JavaScript, like what are the output elements, display elements, and all we'll see. So as we know that innerHTML is one of the elements in document.write and alert box and console.log. These are the very different elements. So we will see one by one. So we know that innerHTML, it is writing into the HTML element. Writing into the HTML output is document.write. If you want alert box, you will use alert or window.alert. So this window is the object default object used by JavaScript. Next is writing into the browser console. So if you want to write to the browser console, you will use console.log. So let us see one simple example for innerHTML. So here is one example. Here I have written my JavaScript page. First paragraph is my JavaScript page, PI. Then I have written demo over here, PID equal to demo. So here I have used document.getElementById dot innerHTML. So this demo here I have written because, so same thing. First it will come as my JavaScript page, and then it will come as welcome to Coding Tricks. Why? Because here I have written innerHTML, so it will display this message as well. So let us see. Test3.html, I will open this. Test3.html is moving. Yeah, my JavaScript page. Welcome to Coding Tricks. See, because I have written here two paragraph tags. First paragraph is my JavaScript page. Then I have written demo, PID equal to demo. Then I have written innerHTML. So I will get welcome to Coding Tricks. This is how this innerHTML will work. Next, coming to the next one, document.write. It is the output element, right? So if we are giving any message like that, it will come as output. So here I have given 3 into 6 into 5. One mathematical statement. So I can expect the output of this. Document.write will give the output of this element. But never call document.write after document has finished loading. After finished all the loading of the page, never call it, because it will overwrite the whole document. If you are using 2 or 3 times, then it will overwrite the document. So you should not call it. So here I have given document type HTML and all have given, and I have given on click element button type equal to button. Here I have created a button, and after creating this, what I have used is on click is the event. So if you are clicking on the button, then this event will raise, on click event will raise. So the button name is try it. That means you will get the button as try it button. But for the reference, we have given here button type equal to button. Then after clicking on the button, on click event will raise, then document.write. So it will give the output element. What is the output we are expecting? The multiplication of all these 3. So let us see. My first web page, my first paragraph. See, 90. I got it as 90 over here. You can see. So you can see 90 over here, right? So this is how you will get with the help of document.write. So this is a calculation of this. 3 into 6 into 5, 18, 3 into 6 is 18, 18 into 5 is 90. So this is how you will get it. So the next one is alert box. So if you want to get any alert message, so for example, we will see so many alert messages in our day-to-day life, like if you are watching anything, if you are doing some wrong things, like you will get the alert message, like pop-up message, right? So that you will get here. So with the help of alert here, you will get. You can also write window.alert. By default, it will take the by default object in JavaScript is window.alert. So you can also write here alert message. So here I have given alert. Watch the video carefully. Watch the video till end. I will write watch the video till end. So you will get the alert message like watch the video till end, like that you will get the alert message. So this is how this alert method will work. So you can see. So see here, this page says watch the video till end. So while you are developing any web pages, like if you are not filling your email ID, or if you are not filling your password, if you are not filling your correct mail ID or password, then you will get this sort of message. In that situation, you can use this sort of alert messages. So here we can see just you will use alert in the script. I have written just alert message in the script. That's it. So I will show you one example, like for the Facebook page or any page, will get the alert message. So I will show you that. You can see that. So here it is. Yeah. So while you are developing any Facebook pages or any pages, you can go to that. See here, I have written here something like this. So password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this I have written. So see here, please enter your username. So this is how you will get the alert message. So you can at that situation you can go and you can type the username and you can also type the password like this. So this is how you can use the alert messages. Next is window.print. So by default, you will not have anything to print from the print for JavaScript. So you will use window.print. So let us see this window.print. What it will do is, see here, window.print this message, print this message, print this page. I have written here window.print method. That means when the button is clicking, window.print this event will be raised. So you can see the output. Click the button to print the page. So here this is the window.print method. So print this page. You will get the print layout like this. So you can save it and print it. If you are connected with your printer, you can print it. So this is how this window.print will help. So just what you will write here is you will create a button first, then you will use window.print to print the page. So this is a method and this is an event which you are raising after the clicking on the button. So this is how this on-click and window.print will help in this situation. So next one is, so that's it. Window.print, then alert, then document.write, then innerHTML. These are the display elements which we can see the JavaScript. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.